Just a short video today about yellow box junctions. I was at this roundabout last week and as you can see it's very busy. Lots of traffic blocking the roundabout up. So we need to be very careful to keep the yellow boxes clear so we don't cause more traffic and cause gridlock. As the traffic starts to move, I look far ahead and can see there's lots of traffic built up on the roundabout. So I slow down and stop behind the stop line as I cannot clear the yellow box. I also don't want to be stopped where the black car is in the middle lane, what I call no man's land. You're not clear of the junction and you're not stopped behind the white line. It's not the best idea to stop there as you're a bit in the middle of nowhere and you will feel very odd, very out of place. Also the problem is you've gone past the traffic light, so you may not know when your traffic light changes. However, because I didn't go at the green light, the silver car behind this white car behind me decides to beep. You'll see he then decides to overtake, and he doesn't get very far, does he? He's now stuck in no man's land, so the light's gone red and he's stuck in middle of nowhere. So please remember, try not to be put off if someone beeps. You may be doing the completely correct thing. Maybe the driver behind hasn't seen the situation and thinks you're stopped at a green light for no reason. When the light goes green, I check ahead to make sure the traffic's moving, which it is, so I then proceed because at this point I can now clear the yellow box.